In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get year-over-year growth using table calculations in Tableau. We'll guide you through this process step by step, so by the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use Tableau's table calculations for your data analysis needs. First, we're going to start by launching the Tableau application. If you haven't used Tableau before, it's a powerful tool for visualizing and analyzing data, and it's available for both personal and business use. Once you've opened Tableau, the next step is to access your worksheet. This is where all the magic happens, as you'll be able to manipulate and view your data according to your analysis goals. For today's task, we're going to use a data source focused on construction spending. It's a great data set to illustrate year-over-year growth because it contains time-based data that can be easily broken down into meaningful segments. Now let's start by dragging the period name to the rows shelf. This action organizes your data by a specific period, and in our case, we'll refine it further by breaking it up into quarters. This breakdown allows us to view the data in smaller time segments, which is essential for detailed year-over-year comparisons. Next, we're going to introduce a filter to refine our data set further. Drag the category description field to the filters panel. This step will help us to focus on specific categories within the construction spending data. For this exercise, ensure you check Total Construction before clicking OK. This filter refinement ensures that we're looking at the entire construction spending data, which is our area of interest. Moving forward, drag the value field into the ABC columns. This represents the data points that we want to analyze. Now click on the drop-down menu of the value field and select Quick Table Calculation. From there, choose Year-over-Year Growth. This calculation is a built-in feature in Tableau that makes it straightforward to analyze the growth of your metrics over a year's time. If you prefer, you can do it manually as well. To proceed, drag the value field again to the view columns. For a manual calculation, click on the drop-down menu once more, select Quick Table Calculation, and then choose % difference. After that, click on the value field again and navigate to Edit Table Calculation. You'll want to click on specific dimensions and make sure to uncheck quarter of per name. This precise selection ensures your year-over-year calculation focuses on the correct dimensions of your data set, showing you how your data changes across years rather than within the quarters. And there you have it. You've just set up a year-over-year growth analysis using table calculations in Tableau. Both quick and manual methods give you insights into how your data evolves over time, which is invaluable for strategic decision-making. Practice these steps, and soon you'll be able to apply these techniques to a range of data sets for in-depth analyses. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to check out more of our tutorials for advanced Tableau tips.